Hey everyone, and welcome to Crafts with Madeline and Ezra.
Today we're gonna make a paper cup.
You're gonna go this way. There you go.
And you'll need a square piece of paper, and thin paper will be easier, but if you don't have any, no big deal. Remember, you can pause the video to catch up. Let's get started.
Step 1 is to flip your paper over and to have your white side on the inside, and you're going to fold it into a triangle.
And don't forget to crease very well.
So your paper should look like this. Step 2, you're going to take this bottom crease and you're going to fold it up to one side of the crease. You're going to make them touch. Alright, now that you have that, you're going to unfold that. Next, you're going to take the corner that the crease runs through and you're going to fold it to the top of that crease where it ends. Next, we're going to take this corner that we haven't folded yet and we're going to fold it up to meet the top. Yep. So it's almost like it's giving itself a hug. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, we're going to take this top part and we're going to fold it down so you can see a white triangle on your cup. What you're going to do next is flip it over and do the same thing and fold down that triangle. What you should have should look like our cup.
But if not, that's okay. If you're a beginner or you've done it before, still it's okay.
It's going to take some time. So there should be an opening at the top where you can open your cup up and then push the bottom in to give it a 3D look.
This is like the hardest part for me, so.
Yeah, you got it. And here is our finished product, our cups. Hey guys! So we were wondering if you had anything that you wanted to learn specifically. These are some of the things that we have already made and we're pretty good at making. Let us know, comment below. If you have any questions about how to make a cup, please let me know. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Crafts with Madeline and Ezra. Bye.